Buddies, what's up? It's a lazy Saturday afternoon and I was sleeping, but my friend Nitin, he woke me up and he said that no, get up because we have to make a video. Enough of sleeping. So look at me. I still look lazy, but well, I love making videos. So here we are. Now with my recent trip to Ladakh, I have learned quite a few things. So I'm going to be sharing these tips with you all. So first thing, that is, when you are on a long ride, what do you generally do? You need to check your chain, you need to maintain your chain, and you also need to check your tires, correct? And how do you do that in general? You need to be able to rotate the rear wheel. And how do you rotate the rear wheel? Well, you need a paddock stand. Something like this. This is a paddock stand. What you generally do, you put it like this and you lift. What am I doing? You lift the motorcycle up. Alright? You have to first center it, put this paddock stand and lift it up like this. And as you've seen, it's not so easy. It's generally a two-man job. One person should be holding the motorcycle, other person should be lifting it up. And also, when you're getting the motorcycle off a paddock stand, you got to be careful too. And third thing, it's big, it's huge. This is a medium-sized paddock stand. It's still pretty huge. How would you carry this on a long ride, or when you're touring, or when you're going to Ladakh? Well, you cannot do that. So what do you got to do? Keep it like this and push it away. I found an awesome product which I think you all should buy, which we carried on our Ladakh trip and was very, very useful because we had almost 5 motorcycles with us, and that is this. Check this out. This is from an Indian company known as Grand Pit Stop. Let me show that to you, grandpitstop.com. And ये है, इसको कहा जाता है a roller. Okay. Now this replaces a paddock stand. Okay. And another function that a paddock stand does is where you can remove the rear wheel in case you have to change the tire. That you cannot do on this, but that is not something which you would need to do regularly, right? It's a very rare thing. But regularly what you do is chain maintenance and tire checking. That can be done very, very easily using this one. All that you have to do is place it like this. I hope I'm doing it the correct way. Yes. And straighten the motorcycle. Okay. And push it forward. As simple as this. And now the rear wheel is on this roller. Alright? All that you have to do right now is rotate the rear wheel. You see that? The rear wheel is rotating. So this way you can clean your chain, inspect your chain, spray your chain with chain lube, and also in case there is a puncture on your tire, you can rotate the wheel and fix the puncture. So pretty good, isn't it? So this is my Ladakh or adventure ride recommendation product. Do get it, friends. Thank you.